Hello, good morning. Myself, I am BSR, botany lecturer. Today, our topic mitosis numericals. Mitosis mathematical problems we can solve very easily by observing this chart and only one question. It gives total clarification on mitosis. So, first, look at here. I am taking the Pisum sativum. You know Pisum sativum, how many chromosomes are present? 14 chromosomes. To n equal to 14 chromosomes. So the stage I am discussing which stage and how many chromosomes and how many chromatids DNA content. Clearly I am giving a chart. So look at here. In the G1 phase in Pisum sativum 2n equal to 14 chromosomes are present. When you look at their DNA content is 2C. Whereas in S phase 2n equal to 14 chromosomes, chromosome number never change, but DNA content becoming 2C to 4C. So that is why chromatids are 28. 14 chromosomes, 28 chromatids. It means in each chromosome, 2 chromatids, like the 28 chromatids. Then you go to G2, same 2n equal to 14, 28 chromatids, 4C DNA content. And prophase 2n equal to 14, chromatids are 28 and DNA content is 4C. In metaphase also same, remember that one, 2n equal to 14, here chromatids are 28, DNA content is 4C. And now anaphase is a very important thing, there only centromere division takes place. That is why at one pole 2n equal to 14, in another pole here 2n equal to 14, like that 14 chromatids at one pole, 14 chromatids at one pole. So these are the daughter chromosomes. Like that 4C become 2C and 2C in anaphase. So in S phase 2C becoming 4C, in anaphase 4C becoming 2C. Okay, later on you go to telophase. In the telophase, you know, two nuclei forms, two nuclei. In each nuclei, 2n equal to 14 chromosomes, 2n equal to 14 chromosomes, because it is a mitosis. Each nuclei diploid in condition because it is an equational division. So like that, DNA content is 2C and 2C. So this is the chart. It gives a clarity to any type of model. And then you just go one question. When 64 cells are formed by the mitosis, when 64 cells are formed, how many mitotic divisions are required? How many times mitotic divisions are required? So look at here. So 64 cells are forming. Always remember number of mitotic division formula n minus 1. N minus 1 is the formula. So how I am giving explanation. For example, one mother cell divided into two daughter cells. One mother cell divided into two daughter cells. So this is the one mitotic division. Again, this mother cell divided into two daughter cells. This is the second mitotic division. This mother cell divided into two daughter cells. This is the third mitotic division. Just you remember, for formation of two daughter cells, one mitotic division. For the formation of four cells, three mitotic divisions. Like that, when it is divided into two daughter cells, it is divided into two daughter cells, it is divided into two daughter cells, it is divided into two daughter cells. Like this is the fourth mitotic division, fifth mitotic division, sixth mitotic division, seventh mitotic division. When seven mitotic divisions are over, how many cells are formed? 8. So if when 8 cells are there, 8 minus 1, 7. When 4 cells are there, n minus 1, 3. So if 2 cells are there, 1. So it means n minus 1. If 64 cells are there, how many mitotic divisions are required? 63 cells. So that is the clarity about the number of mitotic divisions. Then mitotic times. How many times mitotic divisions or number of generations? Suppose you look at here, one cell divided into two daughter cells, two divided into four daughter cells, four divided into eight, 8 becomes 16, 16 becomes to 32, 32 becomes 64. So one generation, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 generations, 64 cells are formed. So this is the calculation. For example, you go for 128. How many generation? 7 generation. So like that, we can calculate mitotic division. Numericals on meiosis. Now I am taking the Python sativum. Python sativum chromosome number 2n equal to 14. So based on that, you observe this chart stepwise in G1. You take 2n equal to 14 in the reproductive cell. In the S phase, doubling the content, DNA content takes place, not chromosome number. So 2n equal to 14 chromosomes, DNA content doubles. And the G2 also same, 2n equal to 14, chromatid number 28. And prophase 1, 2n equal to 14, chromatid 28. And the metaphase 1, 2n equal to 14, chromatid 28. But in anaphase 1, chromosome number reduced to half. In anaphase 1 chromosome number reduced to half. So that is why at one pole n equal to 7, in another pole n equal to 7. But chromatid number 7 chromosomes, 14 chromatids. 7 chromosomes, 14 chromatids. DNA content is not reducing. DNA content is same, but chromosome number reduced to half. Like that in the telophase also, at one pole n equal to 7 chromosomes and another pole 7 chromosomes, but chromatids are 14 and 14. Then after completion of meiosis 1, when you go to meiosis 2, prophase 2, just you observe two poles n equal to 7, 14 chromatids, n equal to 7, 14 chromatids. Like that metaphase 2, n equal to 7, 14 chromatids, n equal to 7, 14 chromatids, two poles. But in anaphase 2, centromere division takes place. Centromere division takes place. That is why at 4 poles, at one pole n equal to 7, n equal to 7, n equal to 7, n equal to 7, it means at 4 poles, 7, 7, 7, 7 chromosomes are present. And at the telophase 2 also same, but at the end of the cytokinesis, finally 4 haploid cells are formed. In the meiosis, one diploid mother cell finally divided into 4 haploid cells. So very, very important for the formation of 4 haploid cells. How many meiotic divisions are required? 1 meiotic division. Like that, for the formation of 40 cells, how many meiotic divisions are required? 40 by 4 equal to 10 meiotic divisions are required. Like that, when you go for 100 haploid cells are forming, how many meiotic divisions are required? 100 by 4, like that, how many meiotic divisions? 25. So suppose I am taking 200 haploid cells are there. 200 by 4, how many meiotic divisions are required? 50 meiotic divisions. So this is main logical chart about the meiosis. And one more important point in meiosis, how many bipolar spindle apparatus are formed? In meiosis 1, 1, in meiosis 2, 2. Like that, 3 bipolar spindle apparatus are formed. That and one more thing, how many nuclear divisions? In meiosis 1, 1, in meiosis 2, 2. Like that, 3 nuclear divisions in meiosis. Like that, when you go to mitosis, bipolar spindle apparatus, only 1, and nuclear division is also only 1. So, this is the numericals on meiosis. Thank you. Thank you to all.